In today's video, I will just be showing you guys how I make a traditional pound cake.
Tell me, what can I do now? Ain't it always funny how
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will just be showing you guys how I make a traditional pound cake. It's time to make the dessert for the week, and so I said, why not do a simple pound cake? Now, I unfortunately will not be sharing the recipe due to it being a family recipe passed down, but I will be showing you guys the process on how I do it, so you guys can just follow along and just see how I make my pound cakes. And of course, if you are looking to try it on your own, you're more than welcome to. Okay, so in this video, I will not be doing a talk throughout, but I will be doing a kind of like an ASMR how-to silent vlog on this video. So let's get started. I also want to mention that I will also be reviewing 2 items from Amazon that I will be using in today's video. The first one, I have been using my Instant Pot stand mixer for over a year. I love it. It's digitized. So I thought I would show you guys how that works. And also the cake pan that I will be using today is also from Amazon as well. Please know that I will list everything down below, also my Amazon storefront, if you are interested in taking a look and getting one for yourself. So let's go. The Instant Pot Stand Mixer Pro 10-speed electric mixer with a digital interface is a must-have for your kitchen. The 600-watt motor allows for you to tackle all sorts of jobs, from whipping the smoothest meringues or doughs of cookies to kneading yeast dough. You can say goodbye to ever over mixing your batter or dough because the 10-speed settings and the digital timer helps to provide a great experience when following recipes or creating your own mixtures. The countdown timer stops the mixer when it gets to 0. This mixer comes with one 7.4 quart stainless steel mixing bowl that you can make up to 120 cookies in a single batch, one mixing paddle, one dough hook, one whisk, and a removable pouring shield. I've had this for over a year and it's still going strong. I have not had a problem with it, and it still today is my go-to mixer for whenever I'm baking. USA Pan's fluted tube cake pan is the ideal pan for tube, pound, and ring cake recipes. The exceptional non-stick coating ensures a quick and easy release of the most delicate baked creation. With a patented Americoat Plus non-stick coating, the USA Pan fluted cake pan allows for easy cleanup and truly effortless release of your baked goods. USA Pan fluted tube cake pan's unique fluted surface design facilitates air circulation and also maximizes pan strength, which helps to resist warping. USA Pan's professional grade bakeware helps everyday home bakers produce professional grade baked goods. Wash just with hot water, mild soap, and gentle scrub brush or sponge.
Situations you have to go through. I think I need therapy now. Recycling all the same doubts. Heard it a million times, cause I tell myself all the same lies. I might need therapy too. Have diluted all the bad news, cause I just can't deal with the lose-lose. Situations you have to go through. I think I need therapy now. Recycling all the same doubts. Heard it a million times, cause I tell myself all the same lie. Don't go out nearly as much as I should. Barely know the way around my neighborhood. I'm ruminating, I feel no good. Not living life like I tell me, what can I do now? Ain't it always funny how soon as I let my guard down, here comes that familiar sound. When you start to get tongue-tied, and in my heart I feel you lie. Though I knew the whole damn time, why do I act so surprised? 'Cause our friends keep your secrets, and your family helped you do this. Since you don't think you should live differently, what's left for me when it all ends? You need some real ones on your side. The type to pull up, down to right. Keep it 100, tell you if you're wrong or right. Yeah, you need some real ones on your side. I can see through all the fake, but I give my all to those who take. It's disaster in the making, how easily we break. We're all diamonds in the rough, but no one's gonna call your bluff. You need someone you can trust to tell you when you messed up. 'Cause our friends keep your secrets, and your family enables weakness. And I don't think you could live differently. What's left for me when it all ends? You needed some real ones on your side. The type to pull up, down to right. Yeah, keep it 100, tell you if you're wrong or right. Yeah, you need some real ones on your side, so I know that they're on our side. To right, to right, to right, to right. I let you through the first mistake. I follow every move you make, but I'm not sure if what I do is wrong. You're someone that I need to see, or fade into a memory. It's an obsession that is much too strong. I know that I said I have never been wrong, but we stopped talking long ago. I know that I'm lost, but I'm not moving on. Something between us still feels strong. I want you to know that with you I feel whole, and if this could last forever, I Protecting my peace for so long. A little too good, now I'm so low. Watching reruns of the same shows. Almost every party I'm a no-show. Even with green lights I don't go. Never been sure, no I don't know. How does everybody else let go of the ego? Don't go out nearly as much as I should. Barely know the way around my neighborhood.